Hey guys, this is Aayushman. If you like my channel, subscribe and thank you for watching. Today I'm doing bubbling lava experiment. This is water. Now I add oil. Now I add food color. Now I add salt. You can see the bubbling lava. The bubbling lava is making into the water is polar. The oil is not polar. So the oil don't mix with water. When I add salt, it makes bubbling lava.